for yourself. And so what else I wanted to say is every desire that we have, everything and what that we want to have is not really the thing that we want to have. It's the state that we want to be in when we have it. What do I mean by that? You don't really need that luxury bag. You want it because it gives you a state of confidence, status. You don't want or need that new house. You want the state that it gives you. It gives you uh, safety. You feel safe. You feel secure. You feel accomplished. And so, out of this state, you need to start living right now. And then the reality will meet you there. Because if you imagine yourself right now, let's say you have a lot of debt, and it creates certain thoughts. Those thoughts create certain decisions, and decisions create certain actions. And usually they all are done out of lack of finances. But now imagine yourself that you have it all. That your um, bank account um, has a lot of money in it, and the money keeps coming. You can afford anything. It's completely different state that you live in right now. Now you're not thinking about that all the time, right? You're not thinking about where to get money. You have enough. It's a different state. So you need to be in this state first, and then your reality will start changing. That's how it works. Don't get trapped in thinking that once you get money, once you get paycheck, then you'll be happy. Then your life's gonna be easier. No. First, you need to live and from that state where you have enough, and then your reality is gonna change. Um, so as a quick practice for changing your state, I recommend you try this one. For about 10-15 minutes, just sit down, close your eyes. You can set timer for 10-15 minutes, and then for that time, start thanking for everything that you have in your life, big or small, important or less important, for just anything, for every bone in your body, for eyes that can see, for ears that can hear, for your job, for people in your life, for people who left, for broken relationships, for support that you have, for everything. Just for this 10-15 minutes, try to focus on that. And you will see and you will notice that you become more calm, that you start feeling warmth in your body, and your vibrations become higher. You become more joyful, more happy. So this is the state you need to be. And if you do this practice daily, it's going to be like a second nature to you. See, a lot of times, the most important things are simple things. Some people complicate it by thinking, oh, you got to know so much, or you got to do so much to be happy, to change your reality. But even this 10-15 minutes practice, everyone has this time to do this practice. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. But it truly can make wonders in your life. So try to do this practice and let me know how it goes and what you felt. And also all the problems that you have in your life. Imagine that you were not You're not given water for like 3 days. So all those problems that you thought you had in your life disappear. You're not gonna even think about those problems anymore. It's all perspective. For you, they might think so big, but in reality, you can solve any problem. Number 2 in this algorithm is energy. Energy is everything. We all have energy. We were all given energy, enough energy to do what we're supposed to do. The thing is, a lot of people drain their energy on unnecessary things. Social media, drama, negative thoughts, negative conversations. We give our energy little by little to all these things. And at the end of the day, we feel drained, but we don't feel like we accomplished anything. And then if that continues,